Today we travel to Rasul, a small village in Punjab, Pakistan. This quaint village is often overlooked by travelers, but it holds a unique charm that is hard to find elsewhere. Nestled in the Mandi Bahauddin district, Rasul is surrounded by lush landscapes and rich history. It offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life, making it an ideal spot for those looking to unwind and reconnect with nature. The Great Jhelum River flows nearby, providing not just a scenic view, but also a vital water source for the village. Bringing life to the land, the river nourishes the fertile farmlands that stretch as far as the eye can see. Green fields stretch out far and wide, painting a picture of abundance and prosperity. These fields are the heart of the village, where life revolves around the cycles of planting and harvest. The air is fresh, filled with the sounds of nature and the quiet hum of daily work. Birds chirp, leaves rustle, and the occasional laughter of children can be heard. Farming is the main way of life here, with families working the land for generations. These families have a deep connection to the land, passing down knowledge and traditions from one generation to the next. This connection to farming shapes their culture and values, evident in the local festivals and daily routines. Rasul is a hidden gem, a place where time seems to stand still. Not on the main tourist trails, it offers a chance to experience a side of Pakistan that is often missed. It offers a chance to see authentic village life, where people live in harmony with nature and each other. The serene environment provides a deep sense of peace, a perfect escape for those seeking tranquility. The world needs more places like Rasul, where nature and tradition are still strong. Here, the connection to nature is palpable and the traditions are cherished and preserved. Rasul is a destination worth seeking out and exploring gently, a place that promises to leave a lasting impression on your heart. The Jhelum River is a vital presence in Rasul, one of Punjab's 5 great rivers. Its waters have nourished this region for centuries, providing water for fields and fish for locals. The river's path has shaped the landscape, creating fertile plains for farming. Near Rasul, the Pabi and Rasul Reserve Forest is a protected green sanctuary. This forest is important for the local ecology, providing a home for many plants and animals. It acts as a green lung for the region, helping to clean the air and prevent soil erosion. The forest stands as a testament to nature's resilience and is essential for a balanced environment. Protecting such forests is a duty we all share. Rasul offers peace and natural beauty, with its serene landscapes and lush green fields that stretch as far as the eye can see. This peaceful rural village is a haven for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. But the surrounding region also calls to explorers, offering a variety of adventures for those willing to venture out. From hiking through the countryside to traveling along rural roads, the scenic views of nearby hills provide a perfect backdrop for exploration. Taxila, not far from Rasul, speaks of ancient civilizations and tells stories of a vibrant past. This historical site is a treasure trove of archaeological wonders, where the remnants of ancient cultures can still be seen and felt. Visiting Taxila is like stepping back in time, with ruins of ancient Buddhist monasteries and old cities. Each stone and artifact whispers tales of a bygone era, inviting visitors to imagine the lives of those who once walked these grounds. Taxila is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showing its global importance. This recognition underscores the site's significance in the tapestry of human history, marking it as a place of universal value. Another marvel near Rasul is the Salt Range, a unique geological formation with vast salt deposits. This natural wonder is not only a geological curiosity, but also a testament to the Earth's ancient processes. The Keira salt mine, one of the largest and oldest in the world, is located here. This mine has been a source of salt for centuries, and its vast tunnels and chambers are a sight to behold. Exploring Keira is an amazing experience, with breathtaking tunnels and chambers made of salt. Visitors can wander through these subterranean passages, marveling at the sheer scale and beauty of the salt formations. The Salt Range offers more than just salt. It tells the story of Earth's ancient geology with unique rock formations and fossils. These geological features provide a window into the distant past, revealing the dynamic history of our planet. The land around Rasul is full of life, with many different kinds of plants and trees. Wildflowers add splashes of color to the fields, and trees offer shade and delicious fruits. The fertile soil supports this abundance, forming the base of the local ecosystem. The Pabi and Rasul Reserve Forest is a haven for biodiversity, protecting many native trees and providing food and shelter for animals. Many types of animals make their home in this region, including small mammals, foxes, and jackals. The bird life is particularly rich and varied, with many different species to be seen and heard. Conserving this biodiversity is very important, And the Pabi and Rasul Reserve Forest is a key effort in protecting habitats and species. Farming is the very soul of Rasul, the main occupation for most families. This way of life has been passed down through generations, with farmers working with dedication and skill. A variety of crops are grown in Rasul's fertile soil, including wheat, sugarcane and rice. Many farmers still use traditional methods such as bullocks to plough their fields and natural manure as fertilizer. These methods are gentle on the earth and help maintain soil health. The farming year follows a clear cycle dictated by nature and seasons. Farmers sow their seeds with hope and care, tend to the growing plants diligently, and then harvest their crops. This cycle connects people closely to the land and is the heartbeat of Rasul. Rasul experiences a climate typical of the Punjab plains, with distinct seasons. Summers are long and very hot, with people adapting by working in the cooler parts of the day. The monsoon season brings much-needed change, providing relief from the heat and vital water for agriculture. However, heavy rains can lead to flooding in areas near the river. Winters in Rasul are generally mild and pleasant, favorable for growing crops like wheat. The days are often sunny and clear, with cool nights providing a welcome respite. However, the climate is changing, with weather patterns becoming less predictable. Adapting to climate change is crucial for Rasul's future, requiring careful planning and new approaches. Rasul warmly invites visitors who seek authentic experiences and a chance to connect with a simpler way of living. Nature exploration is a key attraction, with peaceful walks along the Jhelum River and bird watching in the Pabi Reserve Forest. Agricultural tours offer a unique insight into traditional farming techniques, with opportunities to talk to local farmers and participate in simple farm tasks. Cultural immersion is another rich aspect of visiting Rasul, with warm hospitality, delicious local food, and village customs and traditions to experience. This is a chance to connect with people on a human level and create lasting memories. Despite its rural charm, Rasul faces environmental challenges. Air quality can sometimes be a concern, with dust from unpaved roads and agricultural activities and smoke from burning waste. Water pollution is another serious issue, with pollution from towns and industries upstream affecting the Jhelum River. Flooding presents a recurring risk, with heavy monsoon rains causing the river to overflow its banks. The impacts of climate change make these problems worse, leading to more extreme weather events and affecting the availability of water for farming. Rasul, like many rural communities, needs to adapt, finding sustainable solutions for its future well-being. Rasul is a very special place, much more than just a small village on a map. Nestled in the heart of Pakistan, it is a place where time seems to stand still, and the hustle and bustle of modern life feels a world away. The village is surrounded by lush green fields and the majestic Jhelum River, which flows gracefully nearby, providing life and sustenance to the land and its people. It possesses a quiet, enduring strength, with a profound connection to the natural world. The serene rural landscape is a testament to the harmony between the villagers and their environment. The natural beauty of Rasul is not just in its scenery, but in the way it shapes the lives of those who call it home. The villagers have a deep respect for nature, understanding that their well-being is intricately linked to the health of their surroundings. The rhythms of the Jhelum River guide life, and the fertility of the land sustains it. The river is more than just a body of water, it is the lifeblood of Rasul. It irrigates the fields, supports the local agriculture, and provides a source of livelihood for many. The fertile land along its banks is a patchwork of green fields, where crops grow in abundance, thanks to the river's nourishing waters. There is a unique beauty in Rasul's simplicity, with life revolving around the timeless cycles of agriculture. The villagers rise with the sun and work the land with dedication and care. Traditional farming methods are still practiced, passed down through generations, ensuring that the wisdom of the past continues to guide the present. This simplicity is not a sign of backwardness, but a reflection of a way of life that values sustainability and community. Despite the challenges it faces, Rasul holds on to its character, with resilient and resourceful people who have a deep love for their home. The villagers are known for their hospitality and warmth, always ready to welcome visitors with open arms. They face hardships with a spirit of resilience, finding strength in their community and their connection to the land. Their resourcefulness is evident in the way they adapt to changing circumstances, always finding ways to thrive. A visit to Rasul can be a journey of deep discovery, allowing for understanding a different, gentler way of life. For travelers, Rasul offers a chance to step back in time and experience a slower pace of life. Exploring the village, one can discover the rich cultural heritage and traditions that have been preserved over the years. The experience is not just about seeing new places, but about connecting with the essence of rural life in Pakistan. The peace of the village can be very healing, and the warmth of its people is memorable. Walking through the peaceful streets, you can feel the tranquility that pervades the village. The villagers greet you with genuine smiles, their warmth leaving a lasting impression. This sense of community and belonging is something that many visitors find deeply moving, offering a respite from the often impersonal nature of urban life. Rasul's gentle and enduring spirit is something that stays with you long after you leave. The memories of the village, its people and its landscapes linger in the mind, a reminder of the simple yet profound beauty of rural life. The spirit of Rasul is not just in its physical surroundings, but in the way it touches the hearts of those who visit. It is a true hidden gem, a place where the past and present coexist in harmony, offering a glimpse into a way of life that is both timeless and precious.